What's up, guys? Texas Randoms for Flawless Full Case number 20. Going live. Timestamp is 6:33. Got all the teams in, obviously minus the Texans. Dice has to be 4 or more. If you own the team that ends up on top, you will receive the Texans. We're going 6 times. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final, number 6. Boom! Chargers! Chargers are the winner. KGBREE is the code. Chargers. Who owns the Chargers? I don't know. Mark Gonzalez. Always the person with one team ends up hitting. How's that possible? Timestamp 6:34. Thanks, guys.